Sobrang daming grapes guys, pero hindi pa siya hindi pa siya for harvest. Sobrang lawak nito. Talagang sobrang napakaganda tong na to. Farm. Pwedeng magtanim ng maraming mga dito. Big deal. Daming grapes. Vineyard. Kailangan lang siyang i-maintenance. Pag i-maintenance mo naman tapos hindi mo tataniman, parang waste of money. Dapat once na nilinis na siya, tataniman siya. It's lots of walnut here. Ang daming walnut. Pero kaya lang patay na yata itong walnut nito. Pero mayroong 1, 2, 3 walnut, 4 walnut, 1 almond, 1 apricot, 1 big plums, 1 fig, another one over there, pecan, grapes, oranges, grapefruit, yeah! Very kailangan mag-pray ng ulan. This is an almond tree. Bibi, be careful. Did you get the sprinkle there? Cherry, dalawang cherry, pomegranate. Kids, come over here. This is a blackberry. Mas nauna doon sa bahay, ang daming blackberry doon. Hoy, be careful, there's lots of thorn here. No, baby, don't do that. So that's walnut too. Babe. Talagang busy ka talaga dito. Wake up early in the morning until sunrise, until to sundown. Ito na yung ito na yung pinag-pray ko. Talagang God is good. Kailangan talaga siya sobrang ganda.